I'm Paul Aldridge and welcome to Australasian Bus Coach TV. Today I'm here in Albert Park driving a luxury limousine. This is a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. Topstar Tours have purchased this for their luxury tours. All in all, it's just a really luxury coach, and if you're jumping off a plane and getting onto this, you'd be really happy. What I really love about what they've done here, they've gone for an option of a fridge-freezer combination. It's very easy to use. It just pulls out on a track, lifts up. You've got a freezer compartment that's small on that side. Then you've got a deep section where you can have your nice cold drink. I might drink that in a moment myself actually, but that's really good. Easy locks back up. That's got an inverter in place behind, which will charge the fridge and not draw from the battery power itself. It has 240 volt power down there to charge up some batteries. There's a couple of power points. But what's really nice is each seat on the aisle has its own armrest. You can just pull that armrest up. You know, you've got somewhere nice to rest your arm, and you've got this soft felt on the side of the window. That's really good. Everyone's got really good view through here. Everybody's got seat belts, obviously. The Styleride seats are really, the fabric on here is really nice. I can see that they're very strong, but this is a luxury bus. This is luxury. These guys are catering for a market that's luxury, and I think they've hit a home run. Love these little pockets up here. You can imagine it's only day tours, as this is enough to put your shopping up here, maybe small light bags, handbags, that sort of thing. Well done, well thought out. And the headroom is really good. Headroom is really good. I'm 6'4", and you know, I can stand up in this section. I'm just touching the roof, but the air conditioning unit's domed here. It's, you know, you're not going to bump your head and hurt your head, which is really well thought out. But what I really love, they've added a karaoke machine. Nobody would want to hear me sing, but I think this is a great thing. The people on the tours really think this is fun and enjoyable, and what a great thing to have. It drives like all Sprinter vans. It's just car-like. Steering, the brakes, all dependable and trustworthy. You could just, you know what to expect when you put your foot down on the brakes. It's just predictable. It doesn't squat or dip or dive. But EVM have done an outstanding job on this. Topstar Tours have specially ordered this. It's unique, it's custom. So I've spent a little bit of time in here now driving the EVM, and look, the steering, as all Sprinters are, look, they're very predictable. They're just really lovely. They're very car-like to drive. And you know, look, it's got a little bit more weight with the double glazed glass and stuff, but you actually don't feel as though that it's got any extra weight. It brakes really nice and smooth. It doesn't dip under hard braking. It's just a really pleasant drive. It really is. I found little to no problems with this particular bus today, but the door that's been put on the door, there's a slight little wind noise coming through the door, through the rubber, but the guys haven't had this bus for very long. It's only done 3,000 Ks, but I'm sure that little niggle could be just a little adjustment in the door, and that'd be something that'd be easy fixed. But all in all, it's faultless. I just really can't fault it. It's got expansive glass. The tinting in here is amazing. They don't even need curtains in here. The tinting is really dark tint. There's not a lot of sun. You still got the light coming in. The passengers can see outside, but it's just beautiful. Okay, so we spent the best part of the afternoon and driving this beautiful Sprinter van. Just look at the paintwork that Mercedes have done to this particular van. It just oozes luxury, you know. Look at all the chrome work, it's fantastic. I love the way it looks. Just come around the side here and just look up the side here, it's flawless. Chrome dress trims, you know, they haven't put a foot wrong here with the design of it. It actually, for their corporate clients or their tours, they've just done an outstanding job. This has a 2.1 litre turbo diesel in it, with a 7-speed transmission, and it just drives flawlessly. I can't fault it one bit. Very hard to fault the bus at all. So if you want to find out more, go and grab a copy of ABC Mag.